Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program to find area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. In the previous videos we are already discussed 4 example problems related to this program. First one is C program to find area and perimeter of a circle. Second program, C program to find area and perimeter of rectangle. Third program, C program to find area and perimeter of square. And fourth program, C program to find area and perimeter of a triangle. If anybody wants these 4 videos, please refer that videos in my YouTube channel, Dibbela Srinivas Rao. Now, in this video, we have to calculate the area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So, this diagram represents the equilateral triangle. So, here 3 sides have the equal length. 3 sides have the equal length where S is the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. So 3 sides are there. 3 sides have equal length. Now what is the formula we have to use to find out the area of equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into S into S. This is the formula for finding the area of a equilateral triangle. Suppose S is equal to, I am taking 5 centimeter. Then what is the area of the equilateral triangle? So root 3 by 4 into 5 into 5. So here root 3 value 1.732 divided by 4 into 5 into 5. So we are getting approximately 10.825 centimeter square. This is the formula we have to use to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Then what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So perimeter is nothing but this side, this side, this side, including these 3 sides. This can be written as 3 into S. Okay. So that is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 centimeters. Okay. So this is the formula we have to use for calculating the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, and this is the formula we have to use to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle. Now we can go to the program. Hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file. Next, hash include conio.h, console input output header file. These are the 2 header files we have to include to our program. And one more header file is hash include math.h. So any mathematical formula we are using in the program, at that time we have to add this header file also. This header file contains all mathematical functions. Void main, So every C program execution starts with the main function. Main function does not return anything, so that we have to write void before the main function, where void is an empty data type. Next, what are the variables that we are using? Int s. S is nothing but length of side of an equilateral triangle. Then area and perimeter are the three variables we are declared in the declaration part of the main program. So here the data type we are using float instead of int. Float s comma area comma perimeter. Next one, CLR SCR. So clear screen function. This function clears the output screen. This function available in the header file called #include cponio.h, so that this header file is included to our program. Next one, printf. Enter the side, enter the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. So this value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. This value is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf percentage f ampersand yes. After reading the length of side of equilateral triangle, we have to calculate the area. So area is equal to square root of 3. So root 3 can be written as square root of 3 divided by 4 into side s into s. S into s. Semicolon. Okay. Square root of 3 is nothing but root 3 divided by 4 into s into s. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into s. 3 into s. Okay. Once we are calculating the area and perimeter of the equilateral triangle, so then we have to print them. So printf area of an equilateral triangle is percentage f slash n double quotes and comma area. Then after that we have to print the perimeter value. So printf perimeter of an equilateral triangle is percentage f slash n double quotes and comma perimeter. After that get ch, and after that main close. So this is the program we have to use for calculating the area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, here both printf and scanf functions are available in the header file called #include stdio.h, so that we have to include this header file to our program. Here square root function is available in the hash include math.h header file, so that we have to include this header file to our program. First, this statement as it is printed. So enter the length of side of equilateral triangle. That is 5 centimeters we are given from the keyboard. So after that we are calculating the area. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to 10.825 centimeter square. Next, print the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 50 centimeters. So this is the output of the program, this is the logic of the program, and this is the program. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates, and please subscribe my channel name, so Divvela Srinivasa Rao, and click on the bell icon for getting future updates in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.